c'est une autre chose quand notre message prend naissance à la croix. Dans celui qui est prêt à participer aux souffrances de Christ, de celui qui est prêt à s'identifier à Jésus-Christ dans ses souffrances et dans sa mort. Il devient un autre homme.
J'ai maltraité à la femme, j'ai tapé fort. J'ai écouté bien l'évangile de la croix et ma vie a changé. J'ai demandé pardon à ma famille, à ma femme. Maintenant on est bien.
On a été meurtri, on a été blessé profondément. Et heureusement, grâce à Dieu, il nous a sortis de là et il nous a guidés vers l'évangile pur, celle qui mène à la vraie libération.
As a youth, it's very easy to just be controlled by your flesh and go into all the different things and really be controlled by the sin in your life. But because of the message of the cross, I have victory, and it's amazing.
I am standing in Mauritius, where once again we have come together to join the CTMI family for our annual international conference.
We are about over 35 countries in the world, and people from different color, different tribes, different denominations. We have one message that has brought us together, the message of the cross. This message has united us from Africa, from Asia, from everywhere. People are having the same heart, the same language, the same life, the same zeal because of the power of the cross.
C'est ça la gloire de la croix.
That is the glory of the cross.
D'avoir un leadership uni.
To have a united leadership.
D'avoir des hommes et des femmes de toutes couleurs, toutes races, toutes cultures.
To have men and women from all colors, all races, all cultures.
Qui s'aiment.
That love each other.
Qui se repentent vis-à-vis l'un de l'autre.
Who repent to one another.
Qui s'humilient.
Who humble themselves.
Qui sont prêts à perdre leur vie.
Who are ready to lose their lives.
Ça, c'est l'église de Jésus-Christ.
That is the church of Jesus Christ.
On voit que le chemin qu'on prend avec la croix est un chemin pour changer nos vies, pour changer nos cœurs, pour changer l'Église. Et c'est ce que nous avons expérimenté pendant toutes ces années où nous avons communié avec cet évangile.
It changed our church. It made us to become one of the significant multiracial churches that stand in our nation as a testimony of what Jesus Christ can do.
And we can try to change things in our own ways through figuring out how to do things, but letting the message of the cross just do its work in us. I think that's the key, it's the main thing.
We need that cross to put that pride in us to death.
We're thankful that we can be a part of this amazing and extraordinary group of people worldwide, and we're excited that we can leave from here with our growth.
I am deeply impressed with what I feel, what I see, very especially the spirit, the atmosphere, the relationship, the humility, the love. It seems like such a big family coming together, and it has left a mark in my heart. And I see the picture of the true church emerging to make a dent and make an impression upon the world. And the world's going to change because of this.